Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2013 Ford Focus, and we've removed the door panel, we've removed the window, and now we're going to go ahead and remove the window regulator itself. So the window regulator and the motor, they're all attached together. Behind this cover is the motor. And this motor is mounted with the screws on the back side, and so if you're just replacing the motor, you're still going to take out the window regulator. It's just as easy. It's 5 bolts that you undo on this side, and then you just pull it out. So first, let's undo some electric connector over here that connects to the motor. You undo that, push that aside, and then we've got a bolt down here, 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 and up here. Those are the window regulator ones, and then we got one that's mounting to the motor housing right here. And those are size number 10. Right, so with those 5 bolts removed, now we can go ahead and remove the window regulator unit itself. So you're just going to pop it in like this, pull this side out down here, pop this one in, move it up and over so that the motor's up here to be able to get out. And then drop it in and out, and that's how you remove the window regulator motor on your Ford Focus. Or not the motor, the whole window regulator. If you're going to remove the motor because you need to replace it, or if you're just going to replace the motor, most of the time it's not the motor that goes bad. It would be these plastic connections or connections inside here. So you're going to do the window regulator, not really the motor. But if you're going to do that, you might as well do it all. But I've got pics of it. But to remove this motor, you just undo these 3 bolts here, which are a T30, and you can go ahead and you'll remove those, flip it over, pop the motor off, take your new motor, put it on, and then flip it back over and line up the splines there, and then tighten the 3 bolts back up and be able to put it on. Window regulator back in on your Ford Fusion. So we have this Ford Fusion here, we got the window regulator, and we're going to put it back in. So to start with, you're going to turn it this way, the motor's facing more this way, and then the rails are on the back. And so you'll take it, put that up through the hole, up and over, then you can go ahead and use this to go within inside. There. Put it in the bottom hole, the top hole, the hole there, and the hole there. All right. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we've got the 5 size 10 nuts to put on the this here. And 1 bolt that is size number 10 that goes right here. All right, those are all tightened up. Then we're going to make sure we hook up the electric to the motor here. There we go. And now that's how you reinstall or install your door or your window regulator on your Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching. YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.